Hi.
Digto na to gini si Mariko nagpaano hi. Digto sa ang sa tanduay na bla.
Ah, i-tour mo kami. Anong parte yon? Yon.
Amo na da Jeju Island, and then in this side is the Babuyan Island,
And then?
and this place where I am standing is what you called
Corridor.
no, it's London Bridge. And gusto ko magagpo sa Jeju Island. Gusto ko magpa-France.
Dito banda ang cave. Our last day in Villa Igang. Say bye-bye na.
I will miss this place. Oh my gosh. I will miss the food. The aircon. Ano pa ba? Wala na.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
May na ako pa. Kuhain mo na ako. Bye-bye.
Isa pa?
Okay, I'm going back to my hometown.
Where's your hometown?
In Antique, of course. And I'm gonna miss this paradise.
What will you miss aside from this place?
I'm going to miss the food, the aircon,
The aircon?
the bathroom,
Uh-huh.
and
Oh?
the people here,
Uh-huh.
the friends, the new friends,
Yeah?
and especially Marian,
Yeah.
touching you every night.
Damak.
Bye-bye.
Tama na.